Hello students, welcome back. We're working on 7.3 and I was going to do number 4 here, which is saying use the addition principle to solve the first three. So we went through the first three just using a Venn diagram. Now let's take a look at what the addition principle says. For any two sets A and B, the number in A union B is equal to the number in A plus the number in B minus the number in A intersect B. So we add up the two sets and subtract their intersection. Now this second part, you can always use that, but the second part says if they're disjoint, you can just add the two sets together. So we're just going to always use the first part. And we're supposed to go through 1 through 4. So what I did was I put on the side of the Venn diagrams that we were working on, I put the principle down. So this is number 4, and this is the cat problem. So it says the number in A union B is equal to the number in A plus the number in B. So remember that was the cats. So the number was 5 plus 8, and we have to subtract the intersection, and there was nothing in the intersection. So this gives me 13, and that's exactly what we did when we counted them, right? So this is what you do if you don't feel like counting. I'm teaching you how to do both. And frankly, in this class, counting is all right with me. So look at number 2. This was the math majors physics. So we had the number of math majors plus the number of physics majors minus the number in their intersection. So we had 10 math majors plus 8 physics majors, and now we have to subtract 3. And what we're really doing is avoiding the double counting. So if this is, what is that, 18 minus 3 gives you 15. If we hadn't subtracted that, we would have overcounted and gotten 18. So we have to subtract the 3, and notice that's what we got when we did this using the Venn diagram. All right. Now let's look at this one, the last one. This was about the health care and the dental care offered by firms that were surveyed. And the number in A union B, so we're using the principle again and again. So the number we're talking about health, that offer health was, what was that, 750, plus dental was 640. Then we have to subtract off the ones that offered both. And that will give you, if you take your calculator out, you'll see that it gives you the answer without a Venn diagram, the same answer as we had before. So we'll come back to the worksheet and start working on tree diagrams and the multiplication principle.